hello mga kaibigan. Kumusta kayo dyan? Happy New Year! So ayan, ito po yung last day of the year 2024, December 31. We are crossing the bridge point, the Dames Point yan, the Dames Point. Maganda ang view dito, guys. It has a beautiful view. Look at that. Ayan, ayan oh, parang San Juanico Bridge. Mga dagat yan, guys, sa baba. Tatawid tayo na another island. But we are still here in Jacksonville.
In 1 mile, take exit 45 on the right to State Route 113.
On the right to State Route 113.
Guys, kailangan may ano tayo dito, navigation.
The Southside Connector.
Kasi napakalawak po ng Jacksonville. Wala tayong navigation dito, mawawala tayo. Guys, mga kadagatan.
Take exit 45 on the right to State Route 113.
2 minutes guys, crossing that bridge. 65 miles per hour ang patakbo. Maraming salamat po sa lahat ng sumusubaybay sa ating mga video. Enjoy your day. Welcome to 2025. Bukas na yan, malapit na. Guys, maraming ponds. Ayan o, maraming lake, small lake.
Take the exit on the right to State Route 115 North.
State Route 115 North.
Ayan o, madaming mga daan. May taas, may baba. Guys, walang cut-cut ito ngayon para makita nyo. Lake na naman. Thousands of lake here is mga bahay, mga apartments or condos. Mga mahaling condominiums.
Take the exit on the right to State Route 115 North toward downtown.
State Route 115.
On the right to State Route 115 North toward downtown.
115 North toward downtown.
This one, this is to the right side, going to downtown. So we will be going to downtown today, guys. Yan, ang daan. Tignan nyo naman yan, guys. Traffic sa kabila. Ayan, may merge. So yan yung mga establishment na natin. Oops.
Arlington Expressway.
4¼ miles. Take the exit on the right toward TIAA
daan. Oops. Kailangan talaga maging alert dito sa daan. Na guys, yun yung mga building na mataas. Yan na yung downtown. Patungo na tayo sa downtown ng Jacksonville. Tawid na naman. May na naman. University of the South.
This is a Manson.